What's up, my beautiful people? It's a chilly morning. Welcome back to Official Shani's channel. Today I'm back with an interesting video. I want to do our Oshago house tour. Si lazima eti ukiwa Nairobi ndo ufanye video. Hata tukiwa Oshago tunafanya video. So, niko Oshago and I've decided to do our house tour. So guys, let's subscribe, we like, we comment, we share. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that when I post a video, you'll be the first one to watch. And I'm saying let down guys. Niko Oshago lakini na strain. At least ni record video. At least ni waonyeshe venye Oshago kwetu kunakaa. So guys, msini let down. Subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. Stay tuned. So guys, here is the door, the entrance. Yes, sijui inaitunga veranda ama inaitwanga aje. This is how our environment looks like. Though it's dirty, but so this is the main door. Alafu the funny thing, sijui ni funny our house is not yet finished. So sitawaonyesha vitu zote, bado haijamaliziwa, like you can see in the wall, bado hazijapakwa rangi. So ukiingia, you'll get this chair, this couch here. Alafu these tables ndo bado tunazitumia, like tulitoka nazo to the other house. So we've not yet bought vitu zingine bado. So lakini mnaelewa pia huku ni ocha. Hii ni nyumba ya mumamas. Like it's my mother's house. The other side. Our sitting room is very big. Then this is the dining over here. Pia bado hatujanunua vitu za dining, like tunaweka tu hizi vitu tulitoka nazo the other house pia bado. This is the dining area. The dining area. Bado hatujaweka dining table, the chairs. Then this is my bedroom, but I'm not sure, it's not yet finished. I will not show you. Bedroom yangu iko karibu na dining. Usinione na mtaani. Then let's go to my mom's bedroom. Hakuna stima. Huko sikuna magiza we. Guys, huko kuna giza. Kuna power. Kuna stima. Yeah, this is our sitting room. At least guys, mumeona at least penye natoka, penye naishi, our nyumba hata kama haijamaliziwa, but ikimaliziwa pia I will show you. You can see, this is our store. Kuna giza, kuna stima, mtanisamehe. Then let's go to the other side. Veranda ya nje. Huku ni nje. Huku ni backyard. So guys, subscribe, you like, you comment, you share. Check the view. Pale niko jirani yetu. Check the view. Check. So guys, subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.